first night here in New York, in Manhattan, and I'm in a fucking Times Square. It's just dope. It's like, it's so bright. It's like,
Elvis, super cool.
oh, Chile, super cool. Viva la France. It's awesome. Like it feels like a day, almost like it's a night, as you can see. It's so bright. Like it's pretty cool. Yeah. So I mean, you might ask, what the fuck Elvis you're doing in New York? I mean, you were supposed to roll in South America. Well, the plans have changed, and I'm gonna talk about it a bit later.
That's fucking New York.
But my journey is ending at the moment. It's taking a small break. All right.
What's up? What's up?
Yo.
Check it out, cause I'm rapping, I'm acting, and they acting, they get the blasting, I'm thrashing, I'm nigga trashing. You talking shit, but you mad, hit stick 'em like Madden. You talk about me, dog, cause I gotta go get it, I'm with it, I spit it, I go and get it, and then I end it.
Awesome. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'm in Brooklyn again. I'm gonna cross the Brooklyn Bridge and head towards like Lower Manhattan, World Trade Center 1, Liberty Statue. I don't think I'm gonna go to Liberty Statue. I'm just gonna check it over there. This side, but still, yeah. New York. Man, I'm really in love with this place. I feel like home here. I feel like home. I think in States in general, I just feel like home. But here, like, if I could, I would never leave. I wouldn't need travel for work visa, and I can just stay and work here. I really would. I love this place. It's just awesome. So beautiful, so beautiful. Brooklyn Bridge. I think that there is World Trade Center 1, and that's all I know. That's Manhattan Bridge there. Pretty cool. And this is on top of Brooklyn Bridge? Pathway. smaller bridge in Lower Manhattan, and it's so messy. I'm sleeping too long. Not enough time. I think I'm gonna have to stay another week or so. So this is the 9/11 memorial. And I would assume those are all the names.
Welcome to One World Observatory.
Welcome, you gotta go go through the doors, please. Through the doors.
Thank you for visiting One World Observatory.
Thank you for visiting G7X.
New York Stock Exchange, where everybody gets rich. So yeah, my time in New York has finished and I'm flying away tonight. So, and yeah, I'm flying back to Europe, back to Latvia, and then probably back to Ireland. I know my plans were completely different, but the thing is, you know, like, plans change, and I decided that it'd be silly and stupid of me to travel till my last cent, you know, and be completely broke at the end of my travel. So I decided to go back, save some money that I spent here, which I spent much more than I was hoping for, and then, you know, with like fresh savings, go to Asia. So maybe like in 11-10 months something, if I save fast enough, you know. So we'll see. Yeah, so New York has been amazing. It's my all-time favorite place. I feel here like home, and the journey itself has been the most amazing, and definitely had some life-changing experiences, you know, and I would recommend it to everybody. So as you see, you don't have to do it for like a year or more, or like do it for 2 months, do it for 1 month if you can. It won't be so expensive, and say Central South America is quite cheap. So yeah, yeah, so I guess that's it for now. I don't know, will this be my last video, like, because obviously my channel is about traveling, and if I don't travel, there's really not much I could put on it. So I don't know, we will see. Maybe I'll just take a break from videos till my next journeys, you know, and we will see. Time will show. Thank you, and see you guys in future. So yeah, it's just, I'm in Manhattan, Upper West Side, New York City, state of New York, United States. In this super amazing hostel, which is really super amazing, and the city itself is like, well, I always wanted to come to New York and see it, and I always had this feeling that I would always love it, and now that I'm finally here, I can say that yeah, that feeling is right, because I absolutely, completely, without a doubt, love this place, and it's a blessing, and at the same time it's a curse, because I really would like to live here. At least I have this feeling at this moment. The problem is that I can't. Because I just can't. I can't get a visa. I can't live here, and it's a bit a heartbreaking feeling. But it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. This place is so beautiful. It just rips my heart in bits, you know. It truly is. It's not only like the visual or what, it's just the feeling, the connection you feel, you know. There are these places you like just go, see them like even for like 5 seconds or something like, and you just know that you love them. This is one of those places, and honestly, for the first time in, I don't know what, like 10-15 years, I actually feel like home. I truly do. So yeah, New York is amazing.